Hey, what's going on, guys? Andy here, Cut and Clean Lawn Care. I'm getting ready to work on a new video series on my channel. I think there might be 4, maybe 5 volumes on this total, not a bunch. But I'm going to go through all the videos I've posted on Cut and Clean Lawn Care, and I'm going to take away and break off some of the big moments, the funny stuff that happened, me singing in my truck, people coming together and helping each other out. I'm bringing those moments on, and I'm going to make a volume series of those just to reflect on all the stuff I've done in my channel. If you guys want to watch these, dude, I would love you guys to watch them, and I will have them in a playlist. But we're going to start right now. This is volume 1 because I'm working on this stuff right now, and more videos will come on this series. So like always, man, I appreciate every single one of you guys. There's no reason I would ever think I would have 15,000 subscribers watching me do lawn care and what I do in my business, because, man, I'm still trying to figure it out. Trust me, beyond. Still trying to figure out how to own, operate, run a business. That's what I'm doing. But I like bringing the funny and I like bringing the comedy to you guys, man. It's real life struggles and things that happen in our everyday life. So, no more talking. Let's start off. This is volume 1, guys. Thanks for checking it out.
You think my YouTube career is just hopeless? I hope for this. You see my subscribers go up and you are so pissed. You better jump on board, cause I'ma blow quick. Let a thumbs down or show his neck and I'ma choke it.
What's going on, guys? Andy here with Cut and Clean Lawn Care. And I have just been hustling all day today, hitting up some new neighborhoods, passing out flyers, giving my card out, just looking to pick up some more business, you know. So I got one more neighborhood I'm going to go to real quick. I might take you along to a house or two, you know, and just kind of see what I do when I'm handing out flyers and trying to pick up business. So come on with me, man. And when you guys are out here and you're hustling hard, man, you just got to live your life and stay in that mode of just thinking like you're in a Michael Jackson song, man. You got to be bad, you know. You don't stop till you get enough, for sure. Billie Jean is not my lover. So I'm pulling up to the last house that I plan on giving some flyers and stuff to, and we'll see if they take it or not. So we'll see what's going on. We'll see if we can't get something going on. How you doing, sir? It's nice to meet you.
Oh, you too.
It's good to see you. Yeah, so we'll see what's going on real quick. Hey, nothing much. Saw you guys working on a mower here. I'm Andy with Cut and Clean Lawn Care. Just gonna give you a card or something. Saw you can't get your mower working. So in case you need
somebody to cut the grass.
In case you guys need some support, you know. So yeah,
quality.
you can just call me or forward the emails. Here you go, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I saw you guys were having trouble with your mower. My stuff's always in mint condition, so you guys ever need
help
anything.
us fix this one.
No, I gotta go. I'll see you guys later.
So we'll have to we'll only have to throw one hole.
Yeah.
Sure will.
What's up, guys?
Just one.
You're sweating profusely.
Sweat. I know, I'm fat.
It's like you're a big guy or something. It's natural. This is what we do.
Thing, you know?
It's what we
It
do.
could be 70 degrees outside, mowing my yard, doing 10 miles an hour. I'm still going to sweat.
Oh man,
Don't matter.
that's all right. I'm so white I get sunburned in the moonlight.
Yep.
If you can't laugh at yourself, don't laugh at anyone else. I was just minutes away from quitting lawn care just a second ago. I don't know if you guys can see that red dot in the middle of my forehead, but while edging that last property, I just got smoked right dab in the middle of my forehead with a rock. And oh my God, did it hurt. I thought I felt the lights go out for a second. I saw like visions of Mike Tyson. He was like, yeah, Andy, this is my little rock. I just hit you in the forehead. I was going down, man. It sucked. It hurts. Not a fan, but you just got to stand there just in case people are watching. You don't want to break down and fall to your knees and cry or anything. You just got to man up, dude. Like, it didn't hurt. It was a rock. It didn't hurt, but inside you're like, man, I swear to God, man, if that happens one more time, I am done, man. What's going on, guys? Andy here with Cut and Clean Lawn Care, and I got this guy right here with me, Randy Palmer. You'll see him on the periscopes, you'll see him posting in the videos and stuff. You got something to say, hit him with it.
I ain't got nothing. I ain't got nothing.
He ain't got nothing, but he's in the video, and you're not, so there we go, guys.
Make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Turn left at the traffic light.
Got stuff on the lens. Anyways, what's going on, guys? So I'm gonna show you this one. This was a BiWeekly, as you saw in the cut. It was super tall. Show you what I was kind of dealing with in the backyard. It was not fun by any means. Super tall grass, right? On top of it, you can hear my feet. Look at, that's what I'm dealing with. And still made it look relatively good for what I'm dealing with back here. So, there you go. You get what you get. That's BiWeekly for you. Like always, if you can, subscribe, like, leave me some comments. Give me some ideas if you want. What is stuff you guys want to see? Leave it in the comments, and I'll see if I can't make that come true for you guys. So, thanks. No, we can't go to the zoo. We'll see you guys in the next video. And had an epic hailstorm when I was going to pick up my kid. Just outrageously extreme hail like I've never seen before. So let's cut to a clip of that real quick. Yeah, so that was that hail. Kind of beat my truck up a little bit. I haven't seen any hail damage yet. I'm really not going to notice it until I wash my truck. But
Like it rough, 'cause I'd rather feel pain than nothing at all. You're sick of feeling down. You're not the only one. I'll take you by the hand and I'll show you a world that you can understand. This life is filled with hurt when happiness doesn't work. Trust me and take my hand when the lights go out. You'll understand. Without love, can't get enough. I like it rough, 'cause I'd rather feel pain than nothing at all.
Yeah, so I don't know about you guys, but my Swan Goose decoration keeps falling over. Only this one. So, let me know if you guys got any tutorials on keeping these up. If your Swan Goose thing keeps falling over, man, just let me know, man. Get at me in the comments. Swan Goose.
you don't want to turn here. I mean, he's got a GPS, and I'm still telling him what he's got to do.
I don't use GPS.
Anyways,
It's horrible.
on our adventure, I want to give you something patriotic real quick.
Little bit of patriotic, got the giant American flags out the back of my truck.
So, I feel like I'm losing my mind, guys. I spend all this money on a brand new mower. It's only 1 year old, and I've taken it to the dealer 4 times in this 1 year. I don't know about you guys, but when I buy something new, I expect to not have to deal with that stuff. I mean, belts, oil changes, things like that are a given, but certain parts just should not fail that fast within a year. If I wanted to buy a mower to help get me through the things I need to do, and I wanted to take it back to the dealer all the time, I would have bought something used. And at the same time, the last time, before the time that's there now, see if you can grasp that one, the last time before the time that it was there now, I told him all the things that were wrong with it. You know, I told him one of the spindles or spindle bearings is messed up. It has play in it. I can tell this stuff. I've been using the mower, and he doesn't even fix the problems I'm addressing. He gives me the mower back, says it's ready to go, man. Go mow with it, and if you notice any problems, bring it back. What kind of shit is that? You guys should be solving the problems and assuring me that it's good to go, not if there's something wrong with it, bring it back. Who wants to go pick up their equipment, go to their property they need to hit, and then in the middle of it go, well, it still ain't working. I guess I got to drive all the way back out there. Who does that? You're servicing people. You're supposed to be, you know, customer service and things like that. And I'm just not getting it from this dealer, man. Well, we just got done with that first yard, and I'm a little upset and into my feelings because my mower is still jacked up, guys. I'm leaving a tall strip right down the middle. It's got to be a spindle pulley issue or something. I'm just pissed because they gave it back to me like, nope, everything's fine, man. Go ahead and take it and test it out. It's worse, if not the same way it was when I brought it in there. So that's where I'm at now, guys. So on to the next yard.
So here's one backyard, and then if you could tell, Andy's in the other backyard over there doing it. So we got him striped all pretty for him. See him waving? He's waving to y'all with the echo blower. So next time you see him, you ask him, hey Andy, man, what happened to the steel blower you had? And he'll come up with some lame excuse like he left it home or something probably. But
I'm back and I'm off work now, which is awesome, and I'm not wearing my seatbelt, which isn't awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on while driving. I'll show you how to do this. Simple tips, tricks to learn when you're on the road, not necessarily in lawn care and life. Seatbelt's important, guys. Click it or tick it. Something you're going to need to remember for the rest of your life. Now I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do this. Get a firm grip on the buckle itself, in the clasp and in the cusp of the belt itself, so it slides freely with one hand. And then you're going to go ahead and want to just drop it down on the hammer, and you're going to listen for the click. There it is. Now you know you're buckled in, you're safe, and you're ready to go. Quick tip, guys, you're having with the potential client about the sweet gum tree they have in the front yard, which I hate. I don't. I'm gonna keep this going. I don't. One more time. I don't like doing properties with sweet gum trees. I hate. I don't. I'm gonna keep this going. I don't. One more time, I don't like doing properties with sweet gum trees. You guys already know, I'm just going to let you know it's all fake. Everything we do is fake, but at the same time it's still really, really hot outside. It's like 100 degrees out here, man. It's hot. It's toasty.
I don't know, guys. I don't think I'm gonna make it for real.
Gotta go to the hospital, man. That's deep.
I think I'm just gonna stay here.
Deep. I couldn't. I'd lay right there in the grass. Wait for the first person who passes by to care.
Come pick me up. It's like I'm dying, man. My shin. This is how you do it when you're in the lawn care lifestyle. We got the water cooler right here. What you want to do is put some of this ice cold water, slather it right on there. Get that grass nice and mixed up in there. Look at that, almost all gone. As long as you mix it in with the grass, because that's the key. The grass acts as a natural, like, triple antibiotic.
The grass acts as a natural, like, triple antibiotic.
all right, let's throw the Andy GoPro. Show y'all. He just can't get enough of my Echo products. He just needs to go buy some. What kind of trimmer line's that, Andy? It's the new steel trimmer line.
Just for you guys that don't know, man, I am such a narcissist that I make sure that my trimmer line matches my shirt at all times. So Hardees is taking forever, and they're not wanting to take our order for some reason.
Just sitting here, waiting. Hello?
I think it's because we're not on the bell.
Oh, bell there. Didn't see a bell. Y'all see a bell? No bell. No bell.
Give me a little horn honk.
I'm gonna get a Nobel Prize for being
Nobel Prize.
Just figure out what you want and drive to